Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2006 Honda Element 2.4 engine liter. So right now the problem with the car is when I shift it into reverse and then drive down to drive, I can feel a little bit of kick on the engine when I shift it down to reverse and then to drive. Kind of like it jumps a little bit, jump back and forth like this. So the engine mount is bad. I can feel the car, it's kind of jerking a little bit, and then I can hear the rubber that's broken. It's like pulling itself like this, and I can feel it kind of a little bit of vibration. Now I'm going to show you the engine mount. This is on the engine side, this is on the right side, passenger side. So for this mount, everything is still okay. The bushing, the rubbers, no crack, nothing broken. It's just old. For the transmission, that one down there, which is still okay too, kind of wear a bit, but it's not broken yet. You can see, let me focus it. You can see it's a little bit wear. Come on, focus. You can see it's a little bit wear on that side right there, but it's okay. Now I have the two parts here. This one is for the rear of the transmission right here. This is the part number, and this is the front where the radiator is. This is the part number. Both part cost around $50. And let me show you. This is for the back right here. You can see right here, it's completely broken right here, and then the top is broken too. And then for the front where the radiator is, you can see it's completely broken right here. On this side you can see completely broken. So that's why the engine, when you shift it to reverse and drive, you keep on jumping forward, backward like that. So I'm starting with the rear mounts first. The bottom 3 bolts is a 14 millimeter. This big one is a 17 millimeter. Got it out already. Now before you take out the rear engine mount, make sure you guys have a jack stand like this, like something under the transmission to support it. Now after you take out the bolt, you can remove it. There you go. You can see the mount is broken. There you go. You can see how it's lifted. See that? That's bad. It's my new one. I'm gonna put in the new one. Both of this mount I bought from O'Reilly's. So my new one, I'm just gonna slide it in just like that. The big bolt. Might have to raise the engine up a little bit. Push it up. There you go. Get it through, and then I'm gonna get my bottom 3 bolt. Finger, tighten it down with finger, screw it in first. Now I'm gonna lower the engine a little bit, so that way the mount sits kind of flush on there. And then I'm gonna hit it with the gun. There you go. Good enough. And then I'm gonna tighten it down with the ratchet again one more time. For the front engine mount, I moved the jack stand towards the front of the transmission a little bit to support the front. So for the mount, for this mount right here, there's a 117 millimeter right here. I loosened it already with the wrench, and then I broke this one loose. Same thing, this one right here, I broke this one loose, the side bolt right there, and then I took out the 17 on top that was on this mount already. So Now I'm gonna take out the side bolt. Should be good. And then I'm gonna try to lift the engine. I'm gonna lift the transmission up a little bit so I have room to get this bottom bolt out, because right now if I loosen it, it's gonna hit the frame right here. But if I jack up the engine a little bit, so that way it can go all the way through, and then I can take the mount out. The mount bolt right here, it barely cleared the frame. There you go. If it doesn't clear the frame, just jack up the engine a little bit. There you go. The mount is out. There you go. Take out my mount. There you go. You can see the mount is completely broken right there. Not good. Here's my new one. So I'm gonna put in the new one. It's the thing when you put the engine mount back, when you put the bolt across to hold on to the mount, on this side, the nut right here, it has a lock. It has a lock down here too on the other side right here, but you can move it up and down to align with the bolt that's going across, so you can tighten it down. I have the new mount in already. Make sure the curved side right here, it's on the bottom. The straight side sits on the top. I finger tightened down all the bolt, the one on top too. Make sure you guys, you see I still have it loose so I can adjust it. So right now I'm finger tightening down the top screw, the top bolt, and then the bottom bolt. Once I get the bottom bolt and the top bolt down and then tighten it down, that's when I can tighten this frame bolt down. Down the top engine mount bolt already. I'm gonna tighten down this one with my box end wrench. So this is tight, just snug it a little bit. That's it. That's good. And then I'm gonna tighten down my frame bolt. I'm gonna tighten it down again with my ratchet. Now I got the front mount in already. 3 of the bolts are tightened down good. The back is good. Now I'm just gonna take out my jack stand. There you go, that's it. This is the rear. You can see broken lift off right there. This is the front, broken right there. Check out the engine mount now. I'm gonna shift it to reverse. It's a lot better now. No more jerking. Drive, pretty good, very good. It holds the engine steady. So before, when I shift it into reverse, it jumps a bit, and then put it into drive, it jumps forward. Now everything is good. There's no more jerking, no more vibration. So this is it, guys. So that is it for this video. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But don't mind, I'm out. Peace.